Hey, Bobby and Christina, I'm at that lot on Beehive Drive. That's the paved road, Tallwood. That's coming in. That's Tallwood Drive, okay? And this here, the gravel, is Beehive Drive. So it goes up this way. Then it kind of ends here, the gravel. So you have to go up. There is a recorded easement, a 50-foot recorded easement. And these, you see these telephone poles here. These are within the easement. And you have 7 feet on this side. And on this side, there's 43 feet. So there's a 43-foot easement on this side. If you stay to the right of the telephone poles, okay? And you have to go back there pretty far. It looks like it needs a lot of work, clearing and stuff, if you could see. Yeah, he said, I actually met the owner and his realtor. They were out here trying to find the corner markers. So I actually talked to them. They gave me some information. That's how I knew about the easement and all. And he showed me it on the survey too. It is recorded, okay, which is good. So as you can see here, he said he cleared this out maybe 2-3 years ago, this easement, but you can see it's overgrown again. So you're gonna have to clear out. If you want to get a vehicle back here, you're gonna have to clear it out a lot more. I'm still walking within the easement. See, so 43 feet this way. I mean, you wouldn't have to clear out 43 feet, just enough to drive down there, get to the lots. You see, I don't know who would be responsible for that, because you don't own this land here. The land is still way up there. Oh, these are the houses around here. Okay. Yeah, decent looking houses. And there's a house right around this corner here. Looks a little run down. There were some free range ducks and chickens running around in the backyard. There's a couple more homes back here. You pause the video for a minute there, coming back. Okay, resuming the video here. Still walking in the easement. So we still didn't get to the lot yet. You still got to walk back even further. And these are the houses back here I was telling you about. First time I came back here, there were chickens and ducks running around. There must be the hen house there, looks like. And this is still part of the easement, right here, okay? Actually, I came back from this way. This is it. Yeah, this lot needs a lot of work. There's a lot of trees here. You're gonna have to do a lot of clearing. But we didn't get to the lot yet. I'll show you where the first corner marker is. Yeah, here's a tree that's marked. Now, you said the corner marker should be right around here. When you're going down Beehive Drive, the lot's on the right. So this is the first corner marker right around this area. And then the lot goes into that direction. And that spot's pretty cleared out there, but you go back further, it's pretty densely wooded. And trying to find the other corners is going to be almost impossible. So this is probably as far as I can go. And this, I don't know if you can see it. Let me walk back there a little further. So that's one of their neighbors' houses. Yeah, it looks like a really nice house. They have a shed over there, so that's going to be one of the neighbors. That's the only one I see back this far. As you can see, the lot goes, yeah, way back still. That's pretty much it. I'll head back out now and send you a video of the neighborhood leaving. Okay, now we're coming back out.